Well, morning guys, and welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you've watched before. Now today is a real rare day. I've got a day off work due to the weather and other things. So I'm just doing a bit of admin, but I'm not going to do this all day because it bores me to death. So I'm actually going to go into the garden and do some work on the shed where we park our bikes. It's an absolute tip, I'll show you in a minute. Now, I can't even get my bike out, I can't get James's bike out. So today's job is going to go in there and sort that out. And then I'll show you, if you've watched the channel before, we were building an Ultimate Dream Workshop in one of the big sheds up the garden. And that's now complete. And everything from there, like I said in the previous video, is on my new account, Mad About Mechanics. So that's where we're going to do all the builds and the projects and all the cool stuff. Louise is also going to service her own bike with my guidance. Now, I think it's really important that if you ride a bike, you should get to know your bike. You should be able to understand how things work and do the basic maintenance on them. So I'm going to take Louise into that workshop and she will do that. And that'll be on an up and coming video and you can see how she services the bike. Anyway, let's get in the garden. I'll show you that embarrassing shed where we park our bikes and then I'll show you the Ultimate Dream Workshop. And this is just a quick shout out to my brother Trevor, who's had an emergency back operation. I know you're in a lot of pain and you're off for a few weeks. So you'll be watching my videos over the next few weeks. So this is a little shout out to you and I hope you get better soon. And I know you've been very well looked after by your wife, Hayley. She'll be spoiling you rotten. So if you're ready for it, here it is. This is my embarrassment. Look at the state of it. I've got tools everywhere. I know it's a decent space to have. It really is, but I can't be leaving it like this. We've got tables over there. Poor old James can't even get his bike out. Tools from work, which are going to be shifted out of here. Yeah, my bike's just sat there in the middle, feeling sorry for itself. And then I've got the area over here where I was building that Hornet, which is now not in here. It's in the next shed. We'll go over there in a second. But what an embarrassment. Today, I'm going to get everything off the shelves, clean all that up. And then I'm going to paint this floor. It's all cracked, so this is where we park our bikes and all the floor's all cracked up. So I'm going to fill those in with some sand or cement and paint this floor a really nice grey, some leftover paint that we got from next door. And this will be a really nice environment to park our bikes, spin them around. We won't have no trouble getting them out when the spring does hit. But anyway, let me show you next door. I'm going to show you that Dream Workshop and you guys can let me know what you think. So let me welcome you to our new workshop space. Here it is. This is what we've been building over the last couple of months. This was the old eBay shed if you've watched before. It had all racking in it and loads of stock that we didn't sell. It was just a waste of space really. And now it's a complete Ultimate Dream Workshop. It's my dream space. I've always wanted a space like this. It's only been finished a couple of days and I still can't quite believe that I own this space. It's incredible. So going to get some really cool projects done in here, and any maintenance we do on the bikes will be done in here. That's the Honda Hornet that's now on the other channel. We did start it on this channel. It's now on Mad About Mechanics, so that will be all finished in here. And as you can see, Louise's bike is up on the ramp, my homemade ramp that I built from timber. Again, if you go across to the Mad About Mechanics, you can see that in action. That goes up and down on a hydraulic lift, but that's really cool. Yeah, Louise's bike's in here at the minute. We've got a problem. She went out the other day and I think the front brake caliper is binding. So I've got to take that off today and have a look what's going on inside there and see if we can stop that from squeaking, because that's not really good when she's trying to practice riding to have that going on. I just still can't quite believe it. I'm going to pinch myself every now and then. But anyway, you won't see much work going on in here on this channel because this is all about mechanical work, which we're doing on the other channel. But Louise will be servicing her own bike in here, which I will put on this channel so you guys can see how she gets on changing the oil, the spark plug. She's going to adjust the chain. I'm not sure if we've got to get a new chain on there because it is pretty naff, but she'll do all that herself and then you guys can see how she gets on. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this new space that we've got. We know we are extremely lucky to have it and we're going to put it to really good use and make the most of it. Really looking forward to the summer and making videos in here for the other channel. And on Mad About Bikes, we will be doing lots of ventures and tours and they will be coming up fairly soon. I know the weather's rubbish and it has been since, anyone knows in the UK, it's been raining since bloody January. But it will get better and it will get better really soon. And spring is literally just around the corner and we'll start going out on rides and tours again and doing all what we do. And the vlogging experience will get slightly different because we've invested in a new GoPro, actually the one I'm using now. And that is now Louise's GoPro, which she'll have on her chest strap. And that will have a microphone included in that. So the audio from Louise will be a lot better. The visual from Louise will be better because she'll actually be able to have the camera on her while she's riding this bike. So we're hoping that the vlogging is going to be a little bit clearer and a little bit better. But we'll find out. We won't know until the spring. So anyway, just a quick update, let you know what I'm doing today, and just to give you a little tour of this amazing space that I'm in. I'm going to get on with some work on Louise's bike today, just so she can get back out on the road, and then she will do the servicing on it, and I'll show you guys how she gets on. Anyway, I hope you're all well, and see you in the next one. Cheers.